Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get subtitles on Crunchyroll application. Keep watching the video till the end. To get subtitles on Crunchyroll application, firstly, go ahead and open up your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, scroll down and under Preferences, slide the slider of Show Closed Captions to the right side to turn the subtitles on. This is how you can get subtitles on Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.